Natural Resources Wales, they're an organisation that looks after the natural resources that are within Wales, looking to protect and make sure their use is sustainable. Metal mines in Wales present the biggest pollution sources of metals to the water environment. We realise that there are very few solutions for treating some of the discharges to watercourses. In Wales, the challenge has been most of the metal mines are in upland terrain with flashy rivers and a complete lack of infrastructure. The Welsh Government have a challenge-led competition, Small Business Research and Innovation, and if public sector organisations have particular challenges, they can apply to Welsh Government for the purposes of receiving funds for solutions to some of those challenges. Using the selection was very rewarding because it brought ideas to our presence that we hadn't been aware of before. The most promising was the Elentec trial. Electrochemistry as a potential solution. It's quite new, novel, and that is why we wanted to try their low power system, and we've had very encouraging results.
So Elentec is a Welsh SME that develops electrochemical wastewater treatment systems. The drive for Elentec is the development of green sustainable technology. The environment issues that present a problem to Wales are relevant around the world. So if you as a business are addressing those issues in Wales, effectively what you're doing is opening yourself to a global market where those issues also exist. Coming into the program not only made us aware of an industry, if you like, which we were not originally considering, but also from a technical development aspect, lessons learned in the process of developing the system for the mine project fed into the technology development process as a whole, and therefore improved our product. So this is not something which was in our original business plan, if you like, but having the funds to go and take a risk is a huge benefit, as you might imagine. NRW shows like they are very much on top of their game. And one thing that stood out immediately was the amount and the level of organisation that Wales has made available compared to the rest of the European countries. So I think that shows how actually well ahead of the game Wales seems to be.
Working with Welsh Government has been very interesting, and it's opened up new contacts. And now with the Wellbeing and Future Generations Act, we've got new duties to consider the health of the environment, the communities, and the opportunities that we can now use to leverage funds and deliver greater and better things.